Hi there and welcome back to chapter 5, lecture number 23. It's now time to focus on tweaking the materials. And by that I mean fixing all the specular maps, roughness, bump, and if we have a normal map. So let's start with Planks 9. This is the texture for the front, or like the core texture. So we start with duplicating the texture to non-color data. And we want a Plank 9. Let's go to our library and a specular. And because right now it was a full, well, 50% specular. Not really the best setup. And the roughness. And there it goes. We do not have, let's say, a normal map, but we have a bump map. So Shift D, well, this is the bump, and add a color to mix RGB and put this on top, make this solid black, 0.97 non-color data. So we have a very subtle bump effect on the wood. I can show you that if I turn this off and putting this in. Okay, that's the Plank 9. Then we go to the plaster. Okay, nothing there to see. So we select the plaster and using the core plaster texture, non-color data, and this is plaster clean. And we do not have a bump. Maybe we do have one in the textures. Nope. So that means I need to create one. Okay, one sec. And we go to PBR-V2 and Plaster 2, and now there should be a spec. All right. So we put this into the specular and duplicate this, and I want the roughness as well. Putting it right there, and same for as we did with the planks. A color. Mix RGB and solid black. Put this in the displacement. It will be very rough plaster. Plaster can be rough, but not like this. Over 0.9. Oh, 0.9. The more roughness, the less specular you will see. So very important. We do one more together, and then you get an idea how this all works. This is the roof tile. Shift D, non-color data, and roof. So we have a lot of maps. So we start with the specular. Put this right there. The roughness. And we go for the normal, add vector normal map. It's a huge improvement for the looks. Yes, and that's because we need to select the normal. And there you go. Okay, so look at the difference. This one and that one. Sort of shadow depth. Nice. And what we can do with the roof tiles is you can blend this. Yeah. You can blend this with sort of a moss texture. So there is moss. Or a darker color, and well, let's do the dark moss or the dark roof tiles, and add converter color ramp. Just repeating the steps, nothing new to see, but yeah, you need to do it. Yeah, there you go. Whoops. And add color, the brightness and contrast. So go for a minus 0.06. You need to be really careful with this. You do not want it like it's burning. So minus 0.04. Yeah. Go for 3, 8, and 8 is the roughness of the noise. I just want some dark spots. Yeah, not too much. I'll go for 2. Yips. Okay, so we have some dark areas, some are not, but play with these values. This is so personal what you want to achieve. This is a sample how I think it works out very good. So we've tweaked some materials where we have the red brick, the brown brick, so a lot of things to do. I won't do everything separated. There's one thing I like to do. You can see there's a sort of a torch or ornament on top. Now I forgot to add this. Select these and extrude it and scale it. So that's a nice, oh, a pinnacle you call it. Dark planks, and I totally forgot which one that was. It's 11. UV. Let's type 11. It doesn't have any UV. So let's go for a U cylindrical project. Ooh, awful. But maybe that works. Yes. And these need to be there. Well, I don't think that's the best way of yeah. Let's drag this. There's not there a bright spot there. Okay. But I'll live with it. So with a nice pinnacle, and maybe you can put some more upwards. Some very nice detail for your medieval building design. Good. So for you, continue with adding all the maps. You can find these in the lecture downloads and improve the looks. And in the next lecture, we will do a review of the building. And there are, of course, bonus lectures for the people who want to go more in detail. And we will do the bake again and putting this in Unity. So we make a sort of a library file with all types of buildings you can use. Right, so see you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.